The Kanyao isn't just a celebration, it's a way of communicating with the spiritual world. Whether it's for healing, thanksgiving, or asking for a good harvest, it's always about keeping harmony between the people, nature, and the ancestors. I once met a man who is in the bloodline of Mambubunots, Sir Dario. As someone who has been involved in the conduct of the ritual, he explained to me what Kanyao really is.
Ang kamyaw kasi depende sa kung paano gagamitin. Nakasakit na by the spirits ng mga ninuno nila, may rituals na ginagawa. Tulad ng isang pidit sa amin na ibaloy, shit, kan na padit. Din at sa Mountain Province, parang nagpapamigay yung isang mayaman na may abundant silang pakain ng isang barangay. Kakatay sila ng 16 na baboy, 10 hanggang more than 10 na kalabaw or may baka. At bawat sityo sa barangay, bibigyan ng isang baboy na kakatayin dun sa mismong area nung may mag-perform. Yun po yung kultura natin dito sa Benguet. Yung may mga taknang sa salita na.
The Kanyao is more than just a ritual. It's a symbol of identity, togetherness, and respect for life's cycles. It reminds us how important it is to stay rooted in tradition, even in a fast-changing world. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this cultural deep dive, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one.